Police investigating Hanover crash that claimed the life of 3 alleged gunmen. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The Hanover police are currently investigating the fatal collision of a car with 3 alleged gunmen on board and a tour bus. The identities of the men are unknown up to the point of this report. The police have stated that they are trying to get the identities of the 3 men and where they are from, stated Superintendent Sharon Biput, the officer in charge of the Hanover Police Division. One black and chrome Browning single-action firearm with a magazine containing 39mm cartridges were found in the car by the police. The other weapon is a black chrome Barista pistol with a magazine containing 49mm cartridges.
Where fire station there? Can't road to catch a fire anymore, mate.
In there something that like.
We want one more extinguisher, what it?
He's not dead, he's not dead, he's not breathe. Like he have, you know.
Fire extinguisher.
Him dead. Driver's dead.
Yo, he can't believe it, man. Yo, man.
Him dead?
Dead, man.
Him dead, man.
It's like I did. I just saw that.
The incident took place on a section of the Northern Coastal Highway in an area called Barbican. Reports from the police are that at around 12:30 p.m. the Nissan Latia motor car with the 3 men aboard was traveling from the direction of St. James towards Lucy. Upon reaching a section of the Northern Coastal Highway in an area called Mosquito Cove, the men realized that the police were conducting a spot check. The driver of the car hastily spun around and lost control of the vehicle and reportedly collided with a hiace bus with 5 occupants. The men in the car were pronounced dead at hospital, while the driver of the tour bus and 4 passengers were currently receiving treatment. Their condition is not known up to the publication of this report. The superintendent in charge of Hanover also commended the police officers who arrived on the scene and was able to retrieve the weapons. Links 007 TV will have a comprehensive report to come on this in a later newscast. Thanks for watching.